We're very happy to be welcoming the new group of faculty and staff to the university. There's a very high-quality group of people joining us here. Well, they're coming from all over the world, really, but most of the faculty are from the United States. We work very hard on recruiting teachers and faculty and staff from the States. Some of them are from Spain, France, so on and so forth. So it's an international group. They're all highly qualified. Almost all of the faculty have PhDs. Many of them are associate or full professors, so they have an extensive experience. Well, as you know, we're growing quickly already, so to have this new group of faculty and staff on board with this kind of experience allows us to move the university forward very quickly, to open new colleges, new programs, and to give our students the very best experience possible.